guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fayy Lenee back with another video, and for today's video I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new to me anyways, beauty subscription box that I recently learned about. It's called GlossyBox, and if you are someone that is really into monthly beauty subscriptions, this is one that I think that you will absolutely love. I know for me personally, I'm a huge fan of paying a super inexpensive price to try out a bunch of new products every single month, especially when they are full size, and that is exactly what this particular subscription is going to offer you. So you get 5 full-size products every single month shipped directly to your door. It's $21 a month to subscribe, and you do have a couple of different subscription options for whichever is going to be the best fit for your budget. And of course, you guys already know that I will have a link down below at the top of my description that you can click on to get more information about how it all works and to sign up, of course, if you're interested. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Fayy Lenee. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I really hope that you enjoy learning a little bit more about GlossyBox, or if you're already familiar with the subscription, I hope you enjoy seeing what I got in this month's GlossyBox box. And if you are not new, then you already know what it is. So thank you so much for coming back for another video. And if you enjoyed this one, of course, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. And let's go ahead and get into the box. Alright guys, so I am a little bit late posting this video for you guys because I have been sick pretty much for the majority of December, but I wanted to definitely get on here and share with you guys what I got in the December GlossyBox box. So this is what it looks like. It says "All I Want" on the front, which is super cute because it immediately puts that Mariah Carey "All I Want for Christmas" song in my head. But I think the box itself is really cute, and this is something that I would put around my beauty room and use to like store other things, just because it is a really nice box. So this is what it looks like, and then when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. This is like low-key luxurious. I've tried a couple of different subscription boxes, but this whole packaging situation is very much luxury to me, so I love the way that this is packaged. But right on the top, you just get your little sheet. You know, you always get a sheet on the inside that just shows you all of the products that you're going to be getting inside of the box, the prices, how they recommend that you use them, and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and actually get into what is in here. And I actually have not opened this box because I wanted to wait and open it with you guys on camera, so I haven't seen anything that's on the inside of this. So I'm very much excited to see, and this is my first GlossyBox box also, so I'm sharing this experience with all of you guys. So first things first, on the very top we have this little fragrance set. It says Raw Spirit Fragrances, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what is on the inside. Okay, so when you take the plastic off, it just opens like this. It just slides out, and then when you flip this up, you have, oh my goodness, I was not expecting there to be so many fragrances in here, but you get 2, 4, 6, 8 different fragrances on the inside. And you also get a little booklet that tells you the different scents. So this is super cute. It is not a roller ball, it is a little spray bottle. But I really like this because I like to throw these in my purse and take them with me throughout the day when I'm going to work or running errands, in case I need to do a little quick spritz. So I love these. Love that you can try out the scents and then decide which one you like in case you want to purchase. So this is the very first thing that is inside of the box. The next thing is from Wonder 2, and I think I've heard of this brand before. I think this was the brand that had the like the eyebrow gel situation that was not supposed to wash off or something like that, or was like waterproof. But this one is actually the Wonder Extensions Lash Extension Stain Mascara, and it says that it's supposed to give you 72-hour lash definition. So this is what it looks like, typical mascara. And I guess I should also be telling you guys the prices as I go along because that will be helpful. So for the Raw Spirit Fragrances set, this one retails for $64 for this set, which is crazy. Like, this by itself is already above and beyond the cost of the subscription itself. And then for the mascara, this one retails for $22. And it says on here that it puts a new meaning on a look that lasts with its lash extension stay mascara. It's quick application, and one coat gives your lashes an intense, rich color and defining length that lasts up to 3 days. That's intense. So this is what the wand looks like. It doesn't seem to have like any fibers or anything like that inside of it. So I'm interested to see how this is supposed to extend your lashes. It says define lashes in under 2 minutes. So I'm definitely intrigued. If I didn't have on false eyelashes, I would probably try to demo this out and show you guys. But I will for sure try this out and give you guys an update once I try it out and let you guys know how it works. But that was the second thing that was inside of the box. Next up, we have this super cute little package right here. This is from the Body Crop, and this is their Glow Milk. So this is what the product looks like. The packaging of this is actually super cute, and this is a liquid highlighter. So it retails for $19.50, and the applicator is pretty much kind of like a nail polish brush, but I have a feeling this is probably going to be super intense. Yeah. But it actually blends out really nicely on the skin. So you can see it right there. Really pretty, and it doesn't have like, it doesn't feel like anything on the skin. So that's really nice. Ooh, and it smells really good. So this is something I'll definitely have to try out. I don't typically try a ton of liquid highlighters just because I do have oily skin. But the texture, the formula of this, it literally doesn't feel like anything on my skin, and it doesn't leave an oily residue. And then next up, what is this? This is by the brand Decorte, which I've actually never heard of them. But this is an Eye Glow Gem Glossy Eye Color. And it retails for $27. Ooh, this is super pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you take it outside of the box. Again, the packaging is gorgeous. And once you open it up, it's basically like an eyeshadow in a pot. But the color, ooh. And it feels like kind of cushiony. The texture of it is kind of cushiony. But the color is gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. It's kind of like a muted rose color. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's really, really pretty. And also too, now that I'm looking in this box, I'm seeing that there are actually 7 items in this box. It did say that this particular box was limited edition for the holidays, so I'm not sure if that's like a typical number of products that you'll get, but this box has quite a bit of products in it. So the next thing that's in here is by the brand VDL. This is what it looks like, and this is an Expert Color Liquid Cube Fluid Velvet. It says on the sheet that this retails for $22, and it says that it hydrates lips while delivering a bold, seductive color for a dramatic look. It's a lightweight lip stain that packs serious, long-lasting power to keep your look intact throughout the night. So this is what the color looks like, and honestly, this color is right up my alley. It's basically like a burnt orange shade, but if you pair this with a brown lip liner, it'll be gorgeous for my complexion. This is giving me all the fall vibes right here. But very pretty, and it definitely feels very velvety and smooth. So super excited to try this out on the lips. And then the last 2 products in here, the first is a soothing hand balm. This is from the brand Rituals, and it's Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. So this retails for $17, and honestly, if there's one thing I can never get enough of in beauty subscription boxes, it is hand lotions, because I run through these like crazy. I keep them in my purse, I keep them at my desk at work, I keep them on my vanity, and anytime that my hands are feeling a little ashy, I like to have a hand lotion nearby that I can just throw on, because ain't nobody trying to be walking around with ashy hands. And this one is really, really nice. It smells really good. Let's see, it says Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil, which I can definitely smell that, but it's very subtle. I could literally put this all over my body. It smells so good, and the texture of the product is super, super like luxurious. It just feels really good on the skin, and I feel like this would last on my hands for a really long time. And then the last thing in here is by the brand Serim. Most of these are actually pretty much all except for one are brands that I have never heard of, so I'm really excited to like try all of this stuff out. But I think this is pronounced Serim, and this is a 3-in-1 serum. I have a feeling that this is going to be super expensive. Yeah, it retails for $80, and I had a feeling because this is a glass bottle and it just feels very luxurious. But it says on here, let your skin glow with Serim's 3-in-1 serum. Hyaluronic acid preserves and perfects skin for a more contoured, lifted, and sculpted look, while vitamin C nourishes and brightens. I'm very excited about that. I've been like all about the vitamin C lately. Pretty much all of the products that I'm using currently have vitamin C in them because I'm working on trying to just brighten my skin and like dark spots and stuff that I have on my skin. So I've been all about the vitamin C. Okay, so I am definitely super, super excited about this because I just feel like this is gonna be really good. It says on here that it's supposed to give you smoother, fresher, younger looking skin. It's supposed to plump and soften while improving elasticity. And vitamin C reduces the appearance of dark spots and visible signs of aging. Okay, this is probably the thing that I'm the most excited about because, like I said, I have been all about the vitamin C in my skincare. And the fact that this retails for $80, I feel like it's probably going to be bomb. So, very excited to try this out. Like I said, it feels super luxurious. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I think I opened it wrong. Okay, here you go. So it has a pump, and it does say on here you just apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin twice daily. So I'm definitely going to be putting this with the rest of my skincare and trying this out. I will be sure to give you guys an update on how I like it in like a future probably favorites video or something like that. But that is everything that I got in the box. This is what the inside of it looks like. Super cute packaging. And yeah, I'm very impressed with this box. Even though I don't really recognize like really any except for one of the brand names, I do feel like the products are not like just cheap random products. These products seem and feel, even when I tested them out, very luxurious and very much worth the price that it says that they retail for. And the fact that you get all of these products for $21 a month is a complete steal. Even this glass bottle, like that tells me in and of itself that this is probably a pretty like quality product. And this by itself is $80. And you pay $21 a month for the box. So that is crazy. This may end up being one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes so far, but again, this is my first one, so I will be sure to continue updating you guys as I get them in the future months. And yeah, I will have a link for you down below if you want to learn a little bit more about GlossyBox or if you want to sign up for the subscription. If you are already a subscriber of GlossyBox, or if you already have been trying them out or have been subscribed to them for a while, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to get your thoughts about having gotten the boxes over several months, what you think about it, and of course other people that are interested in possibly signing up, I'm sure would love to hear your opinion about the box as well. So please leave those down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new and you have not subscribed already, please be sure to do that before you leave. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Thank you.